How to find removed Instagram photos. Hi guys, today I will show you how you can find the removed photos on Instagram. Any picture that you have deleted and now you want to recover it, you want to check it out, how to find it. It's super easy and let's start. So you will simply open up your Instagram on your mobile phone or maybe your laptop, and what you have to do is simply log into your Instagram account. Once you are on your account, then you need to go to your profile. Once you are on your profile right here, you will see that you have all of your posts and this is your profile. Simply click on these three lines above that open up our menu for us: the settings, archive, and your activity. Simply click on your activity. Now you will be able to find your activity here, your photos, videos, interactions, account history, and then we have this option right here which says recently deleted. So simply click right here and you will be able to see all of the posts right here that you have deleted here, and then here you will be able to check them out. Now if you want to delete it permanently, if it's less than 30 days, then you can simply go ahead and delete it, or you can also restore a photo if you like. So you will simply click on restore, click again, and this photo will be restored once you confirm that it's your account. After that, you will be able to restore your photo if you want to. But that is how you simply find all of your recently removed photos on Instagram. If I were a big help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.